To add music to our video, we'll just go ahead to our uploads, click on upload, then click on audio. You can see I've already uploaded a few YouTube videos, audios that are free and copyright free. But if you haven't uploaded and you click upload media, so I've uploaded this, I'll just click on it. As you can see, it has been added. The purple bar at the bottom is your music timeline. So it has been added. So in order to edit the music timeline, you click on it to select it. Then you go to the top where you have the volume icon. You can adjust the volume, you can duplicate or delete. So I'll just adjust the volume. I think I'll go for 30. You can see the volume has been adjusted. I'll just go ahead and check the length of the music bar to see if it covers the whole length of the video. If not, I'll duplicate it. Okay, it covers the whole length of the video, so no need to duplicate it. But if your music bar is too short, you can duplicate it. So it plays for the entire length of your video. So that is how to add the music bar to your, that's how to add music to your video in Canva. So when you are done, the next thing is to download your video. So you just go to the top right, click on download with the down arrow. Then this page pops up. Be sure to select MP4 video if it's not already selected for you. And be sure to select all pages if it is not already selected. Then you click download. Then when you click download, it automatically downloads to your computer. Then you can upload it on YouTube. So guys, this is how to edit your YouTube video in Canva. I hope you learned a few things from this video. Yes, you can also share your video with whoever you like. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to help us grow, and write in your comments any other video that you would like me to make, any other thing that you would like me to make a video about in Canva. Thank you.